and I wanted to show you real quick how it turned out. So I put little string closures to tie it because it is pretty bulky. I've got a butterfly on the front cover, little jewels. I have this eyeball looking over here on the cats. There is a tag right there, some lace. Right here's a pocket. Here's another pocket. Cute little turkey. Over here I've got a couple of tuck spots. Right there's one. Another one right here. Got a pocket here that's holding 2 tags. Plus, I put a little book from the scraps in here. And I even took some of this and put it on her broom. So that's in that middle pocket. This turned out really good. I really love this little book. So this side I have some more images. I didn't put pockets on it. I could have. I just decorated it. So this one has a pocket too. I put a little pull tab on it. Over here's a magical door or a creepy door, however you want to look at it, with the old witches and stuff. There's another pocket up there with tag. This is corrugated cardboard behind the label. And over here I have some more of that twine just kind of coming out of that, and some more corrugated cardboard, little designs. And then on the back I have another little string that you tie. So it still can get quite a bit bigger. Let's see what size it is. So it's about 2.5. Let me get over here where I can see. Yeah, right around 2.5 by 2.5. So that was just from one printed sheet like this with the edges cut off, and this is 8.5 by 11 printed. It was 8.25 by 10.5 after I cut the edges. So that was the second one that I did. I started this one with you, so this was the first one. I'm going to show you real quick where I got. So here's a little tag, a little pocket, another little pocket there with a hinge, and there is a pocket right here that I didn't put anything in, so you get a pocket there. Then here's another pocket, and that's the back. So I still need a few more things in this one, but that is both of them side by side. They turned out fantastic. So if you're interested in them, definitely let me know. I'm gonna try and post these two in my Etsy store soon, but if you happen to see it and want it before then, send me an email or message me. And as always, thank you for spending your time with me and crafting.